Hello everyone. If you are new here, my name is LaWanda, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, I am going to be really quick on this video. I was not intending to record this video today, but I cannot hold this video off, and I guess it's fitting because this is September and for me it is officially fall, and I am kicking off my fall videos with a double Coach unboxing. Coach dropped their fall collection and there was so much that I liked, but guys, I never considered the men's collection, and the men's collection has me in an absolute chokehold. So I have a birthday coming up, and at the beginning of the year I did sort of like a birthday wish list, and there were a couple bags on that wish list that I just needed to like fill gaps in my collection. One of those bags was the YSL camera bag. I've been looking at that bag for years, and I thought I am going to get that bag this year. I went in to look at the bag, and it's a nice bag, but I hadn't pulled the trigger on it. I just didn't want to spend that money yet, so I hadn't done that. And one of the things that has been missing in my collection is an oversized large leather bag, just all black. So I had been looking at a couple higher end bags, one from The Row, I'll put it up, that I had been looking at. It's a really huge bag. I was looking at one from, oh my goodness, I told you guys about it a while ago, and I can't remember the brand name, but I will put the bag up here, and I'm rushing because I have to get out of here. I was looking at sort of the higher end bags, but guys, when Coach dropped this collection, I saw two bags that I had to get. Unfortunately, the bags were not available in store at the time that I learned about them, so I had to order both of these bags online. One of them came yesterday, one of them came today, so I'm going to go ahead and do the unboxing. We'll talk about them quickly, and then I'll do what's in my bags and things like that later. But guys, let me show you what I got. These are the two bags, guys. Let's start with the smaller bag. So I already unboxed these. I could not wait. I should be showing you some footage of me unboxing them. And this first bag, and I'm sure I put it in my description, is the Coach camera bag. I really love the men's line because the pieces are, the sizes of them and the shape and the structure of them are very attractive to me. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is her. You can see it is an amazing size. And this is the back of it. It has a pocket on the back, which I really love. A nice size pocket on the back. The capacity of this bag is amazing. If you go inside the bag, we just have one pocket, and then we have a very roomy area. Let me take this out. You have a very roomy area on the inside. It's pretty basic, but it's so functional, and I need a crossbody just black bag, and I wanted one with silver hardware. And this is absolutely perfect. The quality of this leather is like butter. It is so soft. You see all of the gold hardware. And then it has this strap right here, guys. This is adjustable. I'm a big lady, right? So the men's collection does well with me. I mean, I am 5'10", 180 pounds. So, you know, I'm a nice voluptuous sized lady, so this bag, it works for me. It's not too big. I like the structure, the boxy nature of this. I just love this. It has the, right here, you're gonna see it's attached. This is the piece right here that attaches on. Let me just unhook this. Attaches on right there. It's already on the, so it's pretty simple, not much to it. You see the holes there. You see the silver hardware there. Yeah, not much to the bag. It's just simple, straightforward camera bag. I had not seen a camera bag from Coach in the past. They may have done one. I had not seen it, and it certainly didn't catch my eye. Like I said, it's from the men's line, but it can be very feminine, you know, on a woman, and I absolutely love this. So this scratches my itch, right, for that YSL camera bag. I don't know if I will still get that or not, but having this certainly fills that gap, and it allows me to see how much I would use this type of bag. So if I want to make the investment in the YSL camera bag, I can think about that later, but this will give me a good sense of how well this will work for my lifestyle, which I know is going to be great. So I have that one. Okay guys, I'm rushing because my girls are going to a Disney Descendants concert tonight, and I have to get them there, but I have to record this really quickly. And then this bag, guys. Now, I'm probably showing you the unboxing here. This should come as no surprise to you guys. I am the big bag queen. It doesn't matter how big the bag is, I can handle it and I want it. So you guys know, when I saw this Mott Messenger bag, y'all knew it was coming home with me. And this thing is humongous is the right word. Gigantic, humongous, capacious, all the things. Look at this bag. So this is the Mott Messenger bag. It is in the black leather. Again, silver hardware. It is adjustable, the strap, so I can wear this as a shoulder bag, or I can wear this as a crossbody bag. It is just black in the back. It has that little pocket design there. And right on the front, if you can see that, it says Coach right there. The leather is so supple. The inside it's just kind of like a black hole on the inside. It's huge. There is a pocket back here. Can't remember what this is called, but I just love that feature of it. And I'll take this off and attach it to the bag. And inside of this is just like a keychain, where you can put like a key on or whatever you want to put on there. But I love that feature. The zipper, guys, if you guys can see that this zipper is like butter. Look at that. The zipper is like butter, right? The leather smells new. It smells so good. Guys, I really see this bag being more like a travel bag for me, and you guys know I love my travel pieces. And right now the bag is kind of just this boxy shape, but what really appealed to me is that when you put things in this bag, it has a slouch to it. That is what gets me. And I don't know, let me see if I can put some things in it really quickly to see if we can get that slouch. Hold on, guys, here we go. I just threw something. Look, oh my goodness. Are you obsessed? I am obsessed. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Guys, I am obsessed. So I just threw some things in here. It's kind of messy right now, but the slouch is giving. It is everything. This is why I bought this bag. And so this bag is going to be great. Like I said, I'm going to use it as a travel bag, and I am going on a trip to Miami in October, and I plan to use this bag as well as my new camera bag. And I will probably, more than likely, I will do a pack with me so you guys can see kind of how this bag, what I pack in this bag. But guys, this is killing it. I'm obsessed. This came out of nowhere to me. I didn't see the Coach runway. I didn't see the runway collection, but as soon as I saw it, I had to grab it. Now this and the camera bag, they come in two colors. They have a beautiful, I believe it's a maple color. And I thought about that. I mean, it's gorgeous, but I really wanted and needed a black leather oversized tote style bag in my collection. So I went with this, and I can wear it year round. I don't know. I'm liking this so much. I don't know. I keep looking at that maple. I don't know. We'll see what happens with that. But this bag is one of a kind to me. I've just never seen a bag like this, with this size, with this slouch. The Coach is killing it. They are killing it. So yeah, guys, these are the two bags that I got from the Coach drop, the men's collection. I never expected this. I am thrilled. This bag right here, I believe, was $5.50. The Mott Messenger bag is $5.50. They also do have a smaller size. I believe they have a size 33. And I don't remember what size, how much that is, $200 and something maybe. I'll put the size and the price on the screen. But this one was definitely $5.50, and I believe the camera bag was $2.75. I'll put it on the screen for sure. But the quality, guys, the quality. Coach is killing this. So I'm obsessed. This definitely helps support my 50th birthday handbag wish list. There are a couple more bags that I told you guys about earlier this year that I'm looking at, but this checks several boxes, and Coach is doing their thing. Check out the men's collection, guys. Now I'm interested to see what else I've missed from the men's collections, because I promise I have never even considered the men's collection. But now, I mean, these almost rise up to the top as two of my favorite bags that I've ever gotten from Coach. So I am very excited. All right, guys, I am so sorry. I know this was quick, but mommy duties call. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.